Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to play music on Discord Mobile. Okay guys, so firstly of course open up the Discord app on your phone. To play music you can use two main methods. Music bots, which I have opened on my screen right now, or Spotify integration. So firstly, to add a music bot, visit a bot directory like Top.gg, or search for popular options like Rhythm or Thread bots. Once you've chosen a bot, click invite and add a server. Okay, after choosing the required bot, select the server where you want to add the bot to and grant it the necessary permissions. This step is essential for the bot to function properly. After that, head to your server, join a voice channel and use the bot's music commands. For example, you can type /play song name in the text channel to start playing music. It's very simple. And that's it. That's how you play music on Discord Mobile by using either a bot or a Spotify. Experiment with these methods to find what works best for your server. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If it helped, don't forget to support us, like the video, subscribe. See you next time.